Welcome to tutorial. Today I will guide you how to customize newspaper X theme. So I am moving my website from GeneratePress to newspaper. Both are premium version and both are so popular and both theme is so good. So I am moving from GeneratePress to newspaper. So let's begin how to customize newspaper theme for your WordPress website. So let's activate newspaper theme and then install required plugin. So if you want to use, then you need some required plugin by newspaper theme to activate and use this theme. So we need to install this for plugin. So click on install button and activate this plugin. So these plugins are installing, so just wait for installation. So don't do anything. So once this plugin installed, then we will move to our next website, next step to customize our newspaper theme website. So once your plugin installs successfully, let's go to next step. So we are going to install pre-built website. Newspaper theme provide you pre-built premium themes to install on your website and design your website. So let's check our website how newspaper default theme looks like. So let's check. So here you can see how this look like. So next, so we are going to and next go to a newspaper theme panel, go to select headers. So here you can see a lot of headers available. So here you can see our website speed is how our website speed is performing. So our website speed is good. So we are changing our header. Here you can see a different type of header is available. Newspaper provide you different type of headers to install on your newspaper website. So let's wait why this is taking so time. So this is just saved. So let's refresh. So our we just updated. So here you can see we change our header. So here you can see after updating our header how it's look like. Header is totally changed, and this is in a background is a white color, and so this is so let's update our header. So let's recheck how it's look like with a new header. So let's recheck. So next step is show of footer. So how you want to show footer. Next step is ads. So you can place ads and ad and Amazon ad and different type of companies ad network here. So header ad, sidebar ad, and different type of header ad is available in article top ad, article inline ad, article bottom ad. So you can place different ads in your website. So next step, so sidebar ad. So just before placing ad, just read the guideline. The guideline is writing here, so just read it. And next step is template setting, smart sidebar. So we are not enabling. So force full video. So we are not changing anything here. A 404 template. So if you how you want to look your 404 template, for example, for someone visiting your website and they found 404, how you want to look your 40 page. So just select a page. So how you want to look. Next step is author template. So how you want to show author template, blog post and template. So how you want to show blog post templates. So select it. So how you want to show a blog post. So we are updating it. Next click on save button. This is a basic setting. So header. So we are back on header. So let's we are changing our header. So let's so here you can see categories. So how you want to show your categories. template. So how you want to look how you want to show your categories. So different type of available. So let's show you example. So how you want to show your category. So here you can see how it's look like. So once you change your category, and then this is the category also change. So let's select another one. So you can select as you want to show your category. Just so I'm not doing anything. So this is look our default. So once you save your category setting, next step is post in custom post types. So how you want to show date, show comment count, show author box, so show page view. So if you want, so this is a single post view. How you want to feature image related article. So once your article in, and down below you can see a related article section. So if you want to show, and then off and on it, bottom article sharing, and so here you can see if you want to sharing button or buttons on your article, so enable it. And next is a post view. So header, how you want to show your header, and this is a background. So how you want to show your background. So so here you can see at the next step is translation. So if you want to translate your website, so Google Newspaper X theme provide you translation section to translate your website. Theme color, so how you want to show theme color, you can change post, pages, sub footer, you can change color as you want. So how you want to change so how you want to show your post title color, h1 h2 color. So how you want to say sign in join model color, header, mobile menu, mobile search color, live search. So here you can see a different type of color available. How you want to show your website. So you can customize your newspaper theme X colors. So different type of color available, footer color and different. So you can customize as you want. So next step is fonts. So how you want to show post font, default block code, box code, h1 h2 size. So different text available. So next step is custom mode. And next step so next step is Google Analytics. You can add analytics code here, and I think you already know how to Google and next step is social network. You can connect your Instagram. You can connect your Instagram and other YouTube API configuration. So you can you can connect it. And so our setting is complete, and next step is pre-built website is available. Before I guide you simple and common setting for newspaper X theme, but this is a pre-built website. So if you want to install which one theme you like, just select one and install it. So here you can see I want to install this one, Default Pro. So include content, but I don't want to include content because I already have an article on my website. I have almost 20 article on my website, so I don't want to install demo. This is a demo. So here you can see a different article is available. This is a full complete demo, so I don't want to install demo. So just I just disable include demo. So I don't want to install demo. Just disable demo and click on install button. Here you can see different type of demo is available, magazine, blog, pro, and different type of and so which one you like and which one is perfect for your website. So you can install maybe your food recipe. So you can install a food blog, gym blog, entertainment blog, newspaper blog. So which one yours? So I am installing Default Pro. Let's install Default Pro. So I am going to install Default Pro without demo, because I already have a article on my website that I design only. I don't want any demo on my website. Then click on install, and then newspaper show you pop up. Now click on yes. So before clicking on any button, just read it carefully. Okay, so it takes some time, so just wait. We are waiting. So it take maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute. So here you can see a demo installed successfully. Let's visit our website. So how it's look like. So let's visit our website. So here you can see how, so our website is loaded. So here you can see how it's look like. So here you can, this is a pre-built default theme. So let's customize this home page. So if you install a pre-built website, you can customize it. Here you can see, make sure you log in with your admin panel. Now click on edit. Here you can see upper side, you see a edit button. Now click on there. Just click on there. Your complete page is open. You can customize anything. Here you can see a header code. Here this is a header. So if you want to change, you can change this section. Also you can change everything, you can add it. So you can customize it how you want to show your website. So here you can see next step is, if you want to delete, you can also delete this section. So if you want to change this text, don't miss. So if you want to change don't miss section, just change it. So I am just writing mix article. So here you can see this is just going to updating. So here you can see this is just update. So if you want to change color, a different color is also available. So let's wait. So here you can see, let's wait this. So here you can see updated. So here you can see we also change text color and title text. So you can filter a different type of layout available, style, CSS. So which one you want to add it. So next step is lifestyle news. So if you want to delete this one, then go to there and click on delete, make it. So here you can see I just remove some text here. This is going to update. So if you want to edit something or delete something, just scroll there your mouse there and click on delete. So here you can see I just want to delete this section. Are you sure you want to delete this? Click on delete. Here you can see this section is deleted. So I am just want to delete this one. The selected. Here you can see trending. If you want to change the text and navigation, default and style too. So how you want to look like, want to show this one. So this is just updated. So next step is any section you can delete, you can customize style. Here you can see I'm going to delete. So this section is successfully deleted. Set. You can also delete this logo, about us section, follow us. You can delete everything. Just visit your home page. Make sure you are login with your login with admin panel and click on upper side left side. You see a edit button, home section edit button. Just click there. Then this screen will open for you. Then you can edit anything and you can customize your website header, your footer. You can change footer text, link and footer date, and about you can page also create a page in your footer page. So here you can see I just want to delete. So this section is successfully deleted from my website. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you if you want different type of premium default so you can customize anyone. If you want to uninstall this demo, just click on uninstall. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to customize, and there you can see and ad box and different price table and many more much more things available to customize. Thanks for watching. This is a demo tutorial. I hope this tutorial